Hello, everybody. Welcome to Pay TV. My name is David Baba Ahmed. Today on the street, we shall be asking people about loan app and how their experience has been. Walk with me. Good afternoon, brother.
Hi, good afternoon.
My name is David from Pay TV.
All right, my name is Sam from Nigeria.
All right, Sam from Nigeria. You're welcome. We'd like to ask, have you used loan app before?
Yes, I have on 3 or 4 different occasions.
Yeah. What was your experience like?
It was not palatable. It was embarrassing, if I do say so myself. And the reason is because I think what these loan guys need to understand is I don't speak for everybody, but for myself and a few other persons, people take loans with honest intentions of repaying, but the messed up society that we live in and the lack of a functioning system makes it almost impossible to repay those loans. I want to tell you for a fact that at least 50% of defaulters, this is their situation. It's either they don't have good paying jobs, or they took the loans to process maybe a job application with the hopes that they will land the job and it didn't go their way. Now they're already in debt. There is nothing to help them get back out of that debt. But these loan people don't want to know. They move on straight to call all your grandfathers and grandmothers and embarrass your lineage. That happened to me. And it was embarrassing because when the times were good for me, there were a couple of people on my list they called that did not believe that I took. How much was the loan? 20,000. And I was embarrassed for it. So it was a bitter experience for me. And from that time until this moment, by God's grace, I'd rather do a menial job. I'd rather go and wash plate in a restaurant and get money than take loan from a loan app.
Will you say that your informations are actually safe with the app?
Your informations are not safe with the app. I can say that for a fact, because I mean, if I understand that it's a business, yes, and then there should be some level of penalties for defaulters. But I mean, going outright to start calling random contacts on people's phones, sometimes you end up calling potential employers who were supposed to give these people jobs. You damage the opportunities of earning a livelihood. How do you expect them to pay you back your money? So if somebody gave you access to their information, and as far as I'm concerned, you abuse it in that capacity, I don't think informations are safe for those people. Because I mean, my BVN is with my bank, but my bank has never called any member of my family for whatever reason. So I don't think your informations are safe for the loan app guys.
What can you suggest to help this loan app get better?
If I am to be honest, there are two sides to the coin of a coin. As much as I had a bitter experience with the loan guys, from my perspective, I still think there are some other defaulters that are deliberate. Some people that are supposed to actually pay have the means to pay back, but intentionally refuse to pay back. And so the larger populace suffer for this kind of actions. So I think what I would advise to create a balance, instead of the loan guys just allowing people to do these registrations online, why don't you let them come to your office? Yes, have some measure of control over them. Maybe no matter how small, a collateral, maybe a phone or something, hold something over them that you could use as a leverage. That way you don't have to go through these contacts of embarrassing people that are even not intentional defaulters. Yes, so I think it's a way of fixing that issue. For those who deliberately want to default, you hold on to whatever their collateral is as punishment. And then those who intend to pay back but don't have the means, knowing fully well that they have something to lose, they will definitely look for a way to pay back. And then if you're going to put a penalty on maybe the default of a person, of a debtor, based on time frame, I don't think the penalty should be too hard. I think they should try to be lenient to people. People are going through a lot, for real. People are going through a lot.
All right, thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you. My name is David.
I'm Lawrence.
Lawrence, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Want to ask if you've used loan app before, and what was your experience?
Sure. I've used several loan apps before, like Fair Money. They are actually good, but the kind of pitfall I'm having is that sometimes they call their call is always at times embarrassing. You understand? Like the last experience I had with them, my loan was actually 2 weeks to the date it was supposed to elapse. but they started calling me every single day, dropping text messages. It was kind of annoying. I think you should improve in that.
So what was your experience like? Was it nice or bad or?
Apart from the call, I think it's nice. And another thing I think they should improve is their credit score. Their credit score is kind of dull. What I mean is, they don't. Before you get to collect them higher amounts, it takes time. So I think they should also improve in that.
Can I ask if your information is actually safe with them?
Actually, they say that they are regulated by CBN, so I think it's kind of secure, but I'm not 100% sure. So I don't know. No.
So how do you think they should improve on their services?
Their services. Apart from what I said earlier, I think their security aspects kind of secure because, like, the fair money I'm using, I use them quite. It's not only for loan. I have the ATM card. I do withdraw money. I save money there as well. So I've not experienced any kind of network issue before. So I think in terms of security and in terms of service, banking service, they are very stable compared to most banks. So I think they are okay. They are good to go.
Thank you very much. Nice to have you. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, my brother. How you doing?
I'm fine. What's your name, sir?
My name is Fatai Arojobe.
Okay, Mr. Fatai. Have you used Luna before?
I have not used it before, but I have a friend that have been using it, and he said it's very, very reliable. This what is it called? The interest is not much, because he said when he started using the app first borrowed him 5,000 naira, but now he has upgraded to 1.5, 1.7 now, and he's borrowed and he's paid back, and which is always tell me that it's very reliable, that I can also borrow and pay back, that they will not be stressing me, and the interest is very reliable.
Okay, so there hasn't been any issue about
No.
maybe they call his family member or anything like that?
No. I have never had an issue like that before. No, I have never had. But he said it's very, very, very reliable.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Hi,
my name is David.
Mina.
Okay, Amina. Okay, nice to meet you.
Same here.
We're actually asking about people's experience about loan app in Nigeria.
Okay.
So, do you have any experience to share with us?
I don't have a personal experience, but I know someone who they sent a WhatsApp message to me saying the person was owing and that was a guarantor or something like that. And I absolutely had no idea because the person in question, it's not like we're even close. She works somewhere and we have like kind of talking relationship. She doesn't know where I stay. I don't know where she lives. I just know where she works. And when I saw the message, I was like, so I sent her a message that some funny person sent me WhatsApp saying all sorts of things, and she was like, oh, I said just try and sort it out, because for me personally, I don't know how they got my number. I really do not understand how it works, and I've seen online where people, they just come and like send random messages. I don't know if the service providers are part of it, but I absolutely think it's wrong. You just send messages to random people, you don't even know these people, and you're like, how did they even get my number? So yes, the person is owing you, but in an organized community, it's not done that way. That is why for those taking the loan, I think personally they should go to proper banks, GT Bank, First Bank, get it proper. If you want a quick cash, go to a microfinance bank, the one that at least you have a payment plan. Because these loan sharks, I don't know, some of them are fraudulent, I can't say, because I don't think it's professional for you to be sending random messages to numbers of people who you don't even know, and it's just, like I said, I don't know how they got my number. You taking the loan and not paying back too is wrong. That's just the truth. You should pay back, but like I said, it should be done properly. Have a payment plan. If you know you're not going to have a payment plan, if you can avoid it, do.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is David from Pay TV.
Okay, my name is Philip James from Cross River State.
All right, Philip, have you used loan app before?
Yeah, I've used it. Yes.
So what was your experience like?
Wow, it was very good because my experience about it, when I don't have money to use and buy, there's something that was important for me to buy, and I don't have money. It doesn't even take me 2 minutes. They give me the money. I just refund it within some time, and they even gave me time that this doesn't affect me on my own side of paying them their money.
Okay, that means your experience was good with them.
Yes, yes.
Okay, do you think your confidentiality are safe with the loan apps?
Yes, yes, yes. We are safe.
So what in your experience, what other how do you think they can improve their services?
For me, based on my experience about them, it's okay for me, for my own satisfaction. But I don't know for other people. For me, it's okay.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate.